Okay class, today we will be continue the biology lesson. Bongo. Did you chewing gum in class?
Yes. I did.
Lily. How dare you chew gum in class? That's it. Go to the principal office right now.
Oh my God, Lily. Mr. Principal said that we can't believe you chewing gum in class. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yeah. Gorus is right. You should be ashamed for chewing gum in class, and you know chewing gum is not good for you.
That's it. You are grounded for 78 billion months. When we get home, you will stay in your room and never come out. Go to your room right now until lunchtime already.
Yes, Mom. Sorry, Mom.